Hey Beavers, welcome to the 4th episode of Recognizing RHS presented to you by Smoothie King. I'm Mare.
I'm Rosie.
I'm Seth.
And I'm Andrew.
This week we're bringing you a segment on Rosie's favorite fall recipes.
We will also be interviewing Meagan Raubenolt all about pop culture.
So let's get started. For our first segment, we are doing recipes with Rosie.
Let's go, Rosie. Rosie is going to share 3 of her favorite recipes that are perfect for the cozy weather.
Okay, so since I like cooking a lot, I found 3 recipes that are perfect for this time of year and include like ingredients that are in season. So for recipe number 1, it's maple roasted squash and Brussels sprouts. I've made this before, it's very good. It's a great like side dish for everything. Recipe number 2, this can be kind of like a meal or a side course, but it's creamy roasted pumpkin soup. So it's very like warm, it's kind of like hearty and everything. And then for recipe 3, I found a dessert, which is definitely a staple at my house. It's apple crisp, and it's just perfect because you get the cinnamon, you get the apples, and it's just perfect for this time of year. So you can find the recipes on the Instagram under this poster. So yeah.
Apple crisp is amazing.
Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10.
Today we are talking to Meagan Raubenolt about all the insights on the latest pop culture events. How are you doing, Meagan?
I'm good. Thank you guys for having me on this.
Okay, so first and foremost, what are some important pop culture events that have occurred recently?
I would say a lot of new movies came out. Venice Film Festival and the Toronto
Yeah.
Film Festival. So I'd say both of those are pretty important. Grammy nominations come out.
Oh, I didn't think about when is the Grammys?
It's November. So and also Rihanna just got announced to do the Super Bowl, so that's a big one.
Oh, I missed all of this.
So yeah, a lot of music stuff I'd say.
That's why she's
Yeah,
here.
it's a new segment.
So name 3 bands or artists that everybody should be listening to, in your opinion.
Oh, okay. Well, my number 1 is pretty obvious. Harry Styles is someone everyone should be listening to.
For those that don't know, she's like...
I'm obsessed.
Yeah.
This is very
Styles
biased.
advocate.
This isn't like, just very positive, very fun, good performer, good music. I really like Arctic Monkeys. That's a little bit different. Definitely not the same as Harry Styles, but they have a new album coming out soon. And I'm a Taylor Swift fan too. That's a must.
Swifties in that.
And Taylor Swift is putting out music the same day as Arctic Monkeys, so you can just.
Oh,
get
it's the
into
same
both.
day?
Oh yeah, I'm
October
gonna be.
21st, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna be up until God knows. how long.
Dang, that's a
She's
event.
ready.
That's a holiday right
Like,
there.
It is a holiday. I won't.
She's pulling an all-nighter.
Yeah.
No one will see me that day.
That's awesome. So what's your favorite thing about pop culture? Why is pop culture so important to you?
I think it's just fun, and it's something like it's a distraction. It is a hobby, like even though it's not like, and you don't have to be like good at it or like know everything to enjoy it. And I think it's just like it's just fun and lighthearted. And since you're not like directly involved, it's more like you don't have to worry about it. It's just fun.
It's an escape from reality.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Lastly, what is one piece of advice you can give to our listeners?
I'd say get into more things that are fun to you, whether that's pop culture or something else. Just do things that are fun to you and do things that are enjoyable specifically to you.
And don't care what other people think about it.
Perfect.
For sure. So yeah,
Thank you
thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you.
Well, Megan's still here. We're going to ask you a series of questions about pop culture.
Okay, so number 1, what do you think the top 3 artists in Spotify are?
I do think Harry Styles.
Okay.
Just because the album came out. I know Bad Bunny is really big right now.
Okay.
And I feel like Lizzo's really big right now, so that might be the third.
You know, that's a good. Okay, so 1 out of 3, Bad Bunny, which I honestly, that was the one I didn't.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah.
He's big right
yeah,
now, yeah.
which I realized he's like number 1 in the whole world on
He
Spotify.
is. He's
and
because
I
all
did
of
not
his
know
like
that.
music has been like in the top like Billboard or whatever for like weeks.
No, that's insane. And then it was Taylor Swift and BTS. I was surprised Harry Styles was.
I don't know why I didn't see
I
Taylor
don't know if I was
Swift.
reading
That's
the wrong
such a-
stats.
That's such a good feeling. That's
But yeah, that was a good one then.
okay.
Second question. How many total singles has Taylor Swift put out?
Rough estimate.
Yeah, we'll give you within 5, either way.
Ooh. I'm trying to think because I feel like she doesn't release a ton like before she puts out the album. I would say like
total, like even like all of her songs.
Yeah, total songs.
Yeah.
Singles is not.
wait, like total
Total songs. Yeah,
Total
total songs.
songs.
Not just
Oh
single
gosh.
songs.
Oh.
Okay.
Are we counting like
All of them.
Everything.
the re-releases like a
Yeah.
full new?
Yes.
Oh god, like it's got to be like 100, right? Like.
Yeah,
It was
95.
95.
So yeah,
Okay.
you're
Let's go,
5.
right
So
in
you
there.
get that
All
one.
Yeah.
right, perfect.
Okay. Where was Harry Styles born?
He was born in the UK.
Do you
Do you know
what
where?
city?
In the
Near
UK?
Manchester.
Yeah, that is
Okay.
right.
Yeah.
I didn't really
Yeah.
know what it is right
Yeah.
now.
So, while growing up, what band was Harry Styles in?
One Direction.
No.
Other.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Wait, Eskimo.
Okay.
Look at
Wow.
Megan.
So that was perfect.
That's all we have for pop culture quiz with Megan, which she got 3 out
Yeah,
of 4.
no, that was a
That's
good
good.
one. I didn't know how the results would be, and it turned out great. So yeah, thank you.
You got
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right, that's all we have for the 4th episode of Recognizing RHS podcast.
This episode was sponsored by Picante Mexican Grill, Red Hawk Barn Grill, and Sunny Street Cafe.
If you have any questions or suggestions, email us at recognizingrhs@riversideschools.net or DM us on Instagram at recognizingrhs.
Be sure to check us out on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube when you search Recognizing RHS.
Thank you for all the support and see you guys next week.
And remember,
Go Beavers!